But for me, as this face you be like this, so me want give her name. But na more osagi, but na monkey. See this man alone, you know say na monkey. If you look monkey, if you look Omo Osagi, the same papa na born them. You understand? They be 5 and 6. They resemble well. So my people, now I want play what make me come outside. All this one, I don't feel come outside based on I get stress for inside house. And before we go start, this song where I play, so I don't plan, I dey plan for inside house, so, but I plan to Omo Osagi the monkey. Why I plan be say, when your papa dey alive, your papa lay good legacy for ground, so that may pikin see a rate. Your papa is like he's working in the palace. That is the reason why that opportunity come to Omo Osagi ne monkey. Now, we see this song where I sing, away of or you near raw. Almost a gay, a minera call when I raw. But we are high woo or meti the ritogu where. Do you know where? A palace whether you are winning. If not your father, you will not be there today. But today, your son will not be there. Yes, your son will not be there. Ubega, the bad legacy will put for ground for your children. When you have a palace, when we do a lot of go on social media, come on, when they go on there. Osage, now I want to tell you something now. Imegitamu wewe a boy away he or go on there away he. Yeah, you were working for my grandmother. The Gobazuwa Okwonuwa Winalele as a Ogwadia. Yes. Now the woman be this. At least you know your face. You know your face. Now when you can't go, now you depart from man. Yeah. They tell me say you are a good man. Yes. The time where no get they bring you come up for a platform that year, about 2 years ago, about 3 years ago. When as they interview you, I say anybody where no get carry come up for a platform, now I take carry you come out, I come they beat you for social media. Now my uncle, now you see the way I take beat you, the way I take beat you to nonsense. He pick my uncle. Now this woman I born now. Now he come and say woman we good one. He's a nice man. La wo la he take beti ebona la wo. Yeah, he take beti ebona. He's a nice man. We're working for my mother. You know now okay problem you wrong. I not delete the video. I only leave the video for there. I'm a granddaughter to this woman. I dey tell you because the way I want to beat you for this video, you are the peaceful body. You not go feel resistant. You not go even remember the kind of relationship where you and my grandmother get. You go come out, my mind swear because your video, but I want to introduce myself for you before I will come in. You understand? A video where with a Panama say who be yes the normal Eugene Egbe you even say happiness I will see plan then I will see come play on more side on wait then talk reply and see happiness. So I say my introduce myself for you very well. Woman have take time who with the work going on their limit, but they are said, who go, but why don't work going on their limit, but no need. Without you are not an enemy to Oba Palace. So therefore, they said that the talker said they suspend you. Where they never call you back now. You know how many years they go so now? We suspend is a Ogion Ba. Do you the palace? I suspend without job jevo a phone one. You understand the man? So my people, Mokuna listing. We are one for start. Okay. Mona listing. I will start for the beginning. Avatar Beluwa.
Ivia Donosobo. Wabe Negakai. Anywhere or nothing, no way Benoya, no way Apakanati. According to the title you saw on this video or this content, that I want to reply our brother, Mr. Frank Victor.
You see, she won't reply to my godfather upon not the word when my godfather talk for a platform which I watch. You see, say he still put that my grandmother, ona mo you ogun ogwepa for Abaka 99 to just say only this one alone. I not go talk something bad, but I will talk something, but it's not an insult. For only this word when you talk, I will still give her respect. You what I'm not gonna Regina. That is the fact.
It is true that is exactly what I want to do. If you're panicking, I can allow and I could be open to that I die. I want to answer you and I want to say some other things. This video will be in 3 categories. So 3 categories in it. I will want to thank God and thank everyone, and I will also answer and respond to some of the things Notimare from Victor Tai, commenters, some of the comments and the caller said, and at the end I also give my advice. So I will say, if I could better no die that I am one or if I take one here, there is one available, even the boy they were left when they answer. So, the more the video go viral, the more you try to tarnish my image. But all the same, there is no problem. On normal tarnish image, normal na go be a social media. On one network can be every larger social media on. So I don't know almost every time. That is the 3 categories, and I want to first say the number 1. Il est bon de Sanu Dazi. Not a bon anywhere do ya fe. My family, the family of my late wife, my brothers and sisters, my industry, the people in Benin, the people in abroad, those that send their condolence messages, my friends, those that are not here, that is your privacy. I sincerely say thank you. We are not to we say. I don't know why my word they be like. I said I don't want to talk to this man in the house way. Because the way they respect my godfather, but I'm not going to why you know them? And say we say you go church. Why you were saying no one and say why we saying because all the video now all insult to me now insult, but I will count down for this mass. He said based on our unity and the way we love ourselves, irrespective of where
Risparmia tempo e fatica. Crea e spedisci fatture in 30 secondi. Inviamo promemoria e
you can say this when you don't
why I was another your bonnet. Now contributing on it. Why I was say, put I say, don't say,
you salute
God.
Forgive our or tell no, we are doing any or tell Mr. Frank Victor. I
will control myself, but anyhow, I'll tell reply this video if you see him. Agree, he may hot temper, but I can't any time after. Understand? Agree. Okay, you want gagame. No, ya tell Mr. Frank Victor a bet. Eri waje natural, but agree we party well, a party where agree you need reply, but ya control it be make more, don't more. Sorry for your loss. Sorry, Nika turning. Sorry for your loss.
So even no name, ya ye carry when away. So ma baya body a do ali ozia obama egbe. Even the here time where mamie onwa ona itikita ekita we epete ene ona tuwede wate pusina te epete ene ora we the next thing no get who sympathize with that person.
It's true.
Give condolence message. You know what it is. So a depression setting was bewa undikitani or we then we keka. Ama woman.
Yeah.
So only one. Ike sweme ata Mr. Frank Victor. Iya kakabone runo even 9 in my closet. Iya even 9 salo bua no laho. If no sunu dame ne sunu dame.
Pardon no. Pardon no we je me get story of my we for one day accident pa era webo ye ma beja o ya wi ye ma wa webo ni ma sha wa set yere ni vere ni pa wa so ni o ka mi egbera ne bet aleru na de gbe mi o wa no.
Il no sono dare owe avant ota salobana egbe sono dare unda owe do oten enyoyi. I'm not trying to say I am too good or I am too nice, but the fire I got on no em nema egbe ene ru eno wa salobana egbe mi ni mi egbe nda u amio e no ke ama gbo we do kan me regeni. So only one case I tell you ata. So based on your analysis, I have to say something. First, in terms of begging, let me analyze that to you. First and foremost, if you not sooner, I'm not saying I like cutting my by my own sooner, or I will to some extent, or guado toy. Okay, I will not send any message. You will see him with details, so be proof of my in those. Online now we do we know or we or prove or gualo toy dini okay to tell on a value or present me or come out with me or the evidence in my
but I no gi shao but they no gi no so no was so masuni but I no gi o
video no what a kakabo gualo toy a video will be post. When I lost my mother, I just post, my daughter posted with her picture. Now I'm born. Then not up to about 2 to 3 weeks there, I lost my wife under 24 hours. I couldn't actually do anything. I was hospitalized about 2 times, 2 different times because though I tried to, be a man, but I couldn't. So many great things happened. I don't want to go into details because I'm not telling you to sympathize with me. But I'm just trying to tell you some things that happened. I couldn't even do any, video to anybody. But some persons advised me when it was the time to bury her. Why don't you just tell the world, so that I remain well, the day matter. Any query like whoever just throw this into the world so that people will know.
Epa uta ese mani we presenter we will be presenter ma eke ni mirire ne izwe wu owo kan we wu no ma u metimi go ni ya bere yan as Nigeria be now, you understand omoni o harvest we okay die la dian do ta we owo kan we wu izwe wu I dey go somewhere o now definitely. So they will say, oh, yes, man, but we get pity mad. You understand? As Nigeria, your address, so mama bear, woman bear, you are coming out to pay for it. But you did come out open. You loud with pardon, said I will loud. No, even ya because woman go ladia. I got you when I've way. That means you are begging. You understand? Are you bonoma good and fine? But when you are aware, but you really need it, let me see here. But the way una côté de doigt now is getting too much. On doit fier qui. Even you help one woman wey see be actress, now let God know how that is sweep under the carpet. Ou bege pa, on say na we ya control le gbeme. Ou bege, obi ya kati u really what be o wa man na go nu ladia I met you a better wa kan wa we or handle manator this kind of thing. At least who never be if people know, they must contribute. That is the fact. Uta say pa. More, eta in a mature way. Eta in a mature way, la wo wepa. Mudia gahian.
So that people will know on that day, so that they are making a day by where we celebrate. And that is exactly what the video I did. Some days to the day na kaya kuno kame. And now video tamago again no sunu da wala. At the end of the video, I said, please, for those that are in Benin that can go to Ogida Barracks, say, go and show my children love. If you love me this time and you love my children, go and show them love. That's the video I made. And if you have any other details, you need any other details, I quoted my number. I said, call me. I did not ask for a penny from anybody.
Where am your boy? I'm with phone. Epa. Kala sana unite wepa no say man ni years what you if na ye ni awu ye ni ata. Understand? Omo ni jewu, omo no woka ewu. Omo meti na ya mweko. Une ko nu ati mu. You are picking the call. Wa have the boy mu. No la boy we amu. Let be sincere to each other. Na no ri yo bonu anything. Get what I might be. Mom, don't mop.
My mother was sick for some months.
Oh, I didn't
anybody to come and take care of my mother. My wife did not give me chance. Now the sickness was just about 24 hours. I did not call anybody to come and take care of her. She died. And I made an announcement that she died. People should come and sympathize with my children and just do the occasion with them. Then, some days too, our brother called me, who is also a presenter.
In another one year.
Give one of Jenny.
I've not removed the video since.
I was surprised to receive that call, the WhatsApp call. He said, you're in Nogi one of Jenny. Like, oh, how are you? Oh, we're fine. We don't know. I told him the word I can remember now. It's my first time of hearing your voice and calling me direct, though I've been watching your videos on our ears. Please, brother.
We're missionaries for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. We invite you to come to church with us this Sunday.
On our ears. Please, brother, I shared the video in our ears. They told me, why you can't watch it. I want people to be aware of that burial set.
You will help me to share it more. Money the money hina. I Nigeria. I no get we budget. Even na mi ata. No se presenter must talk about gata mata na. Gata mata. Would I have a platform where everybody watch? No good way you see your head. Then more call will be coming. You understand the now?
Okay. Please send me your account details. I want to support you with it. You know, I don't need it because of one thing or the other. I insist.
Yes, not the yard your way.
I sent it to him. Behold and lo, the money soon, when we already met. He sent me money when Etienne reset. So I said, please, let them know the burial or okay, I will even do a video on that.
When you come outside, because anything they want to support, but there is a support. Your grandma, Channel TV. Decent thing. So that may see, it don't talk to beggar. This is the point. What I want to try to talk about. I'm not going to forward that past here. I know what I know forward that. The rest thing. Now the thing where I supposed to talk put. Now hash word. So man not can go talk. Go tell you what I'm not supposed to tell you. But you see the more your wife and your mother. You understand? Yeah, you talk about Iorama. Shall not even have a poster where any aya support. And I see watch that video. So you only beg Berawanapa, and when you hear it, I hear you man. You understand? You are very respecting him when we are respected. A remain. You understand? You know it's Mr. Frank Victor. So on said he cannot control it, but man who wash a egg berava. Domopa. You hear me? Domon. A fast here. I can't lie there. Is not a begging because mama webo umeti aja yeah or there. That is the parable. You understand? You see I very up domopa. Beggar matter but no it won't take beg berava. Then let's go to happiness.
Well here. Oh no.
Yeah.
I'm here in Frank Victor over here. If I would take an egg, I'd be in a mobile. What near over here?
Lawo go, Mona share this video. Mona call Essie happiness call for me, I beg. Mona call her for me, I beg. Yeah, they're very, very important. Bloggers, I beg mo kuna call this part. Now I say happiness, you don't get this part. Now the last one. Mo sagi only wa finish live video me at any time ya only yakba
almost sagi utete negia bi
Ogioba
akele towe Frank enu da ekremeta je ame we mani bu na mobo entire na mobo tie. To me, you see the situation where they're bringing people out to help them. Ni gba je pigeon ya tie. The thing we work on they to the abuser, make we try, make we stop them. The situation whereby you come and person come out, he need help financially, please, we should stop it. He sort it out of boom, but I can't do abuse everything. Bring me happiness, you go and check my videos. If we give me a phone number, the video, because we that team, I might work out number the way that we do, but man, I'm better at me. I'm better at me to avoid all these insults. Get out of now. Eti ma so ni gere we bo be ma so be bi o jale dian eri an be bi o jale don e me tada ma o na ta all the issue ijore o mo zela de there oro ye musicians eri an be yo fe eri an lo karo white eri an lo karo green e me do understand e me tabagi ma ta le no geke e me do understand the now e me tabagi ma ta le no geke because I see no reason why there abuse of something. How will Frank or Mozo, sorry, any mistake?
Mistake here, unuta. Esi happiness or bola wegbe. Ubega kawena. Akawena. You almost say na I post screenshot na zoom egwe. Ubega kawena. Uke gweri megwa. Akawena we kari hospital ne. Ukaya dollars ne. Wegbe. Imagine veneraga ajie. Wuda ime ijwe mose ime with the ime come back together ime many ayata ijwe because I beware the evidence is show where ijwe error was error and your mother was error the blood didn't come back together I beware maybe eruwe na ya konoro ya ona ya wowe the ijwe no ro ona wa yo hore ya wowe esi happiness when odo agwana abio wanyana the 200,000 naira nu when do ya we mi do mono gelo no ne doni ama wonu gweba dollar wodiji velu ya u be social media emi ni ya gewe ni owe gbegbe wa mi yego ese happiness o mo ga gwe social media we lawa do mono wo ko we gweba dollar doniji Omaya na temi ma we nu do tabe social media. Una we era na mi gonna be involve we. Na iya na the 200 nu we. Even ya what many buwe ade. Wala wa ri go ni ye makanti. La egbi una imani je. But you collected that money from there. I got you we marry me. Dami elu we kara. Emi buni ade tag na we. All of a sudden, the bloggers la wo watch him na. Emi boom no gina we. Era na ohorion. Baby era na yakon ya wo. One of ya Arab. Owa adwe kwe fun one night. Fun one night. Owa adwe. Onyo ya wuwe. We den we eno mo gwe enera ma eno. Enera ma we eno. We iri go we na ri yepo. Oh, mamu we as happiness. Una ri wijwe kan kodao. Una ri wijwe le ni ya wa le mi wiwani. Una le the social media wa bio wa wu come and render insult on that woman. You come and render insult on that woman. But ohoni na ri goni ona asai. Ohana ye gu. Oh, when ye ladia. Udimi. Ona be gu edo agun as happiness. Nita your pama we de na we we na kasola ja we ni we ya gwalo we hia o we ya ha gbo awe so na mani gwanka evani uba we oge no ukwa so that you have now near ya praise we yes up to today a voice not to know concerning that person who marry a lad. That is the way we are telling you rego near the anywhere every ba every time all this kind of anywhere the way no okay near secure only we have ya till lad we are telling you go the social media on my work because nowadays when we are you when we are from why ya collect go we bo ona gwe ladia una we ravi jue omozo yan omozo yan ha gele ahuda iye ibie yan do bia omozo we yan ibi we na we ga kunwe esi happiness we ge gbe we gbe fune una igbe eponda na una spray perfume ne de hu ge gbe we kunya kan da unya kan unya da we gbe how do hu ge gbe se o ma keke we ha go keke we are mask you ya go with that corona we are 1 year da ba monore webo iye ti ogba le gbe no motamawe motamu we na webo with that Nigeria no man no be we na are webo uwe na nya kon na danya iye ati ogba le gbe nu no aku we na webo wo na akowo we ma unu wo be nya conserve social media we ga ko wo e piripiri wunu uwe ke de gweri megun odo ma egun o uwe ere yo han we gwegwa ma bere ma we worry we be worry ma wa bere ma you wo be ke yo boss e ka no e de nu tie me we ga tie be na e di ohin obalu na ewe egwe ya be ma hwe ne o ma mu we ma gbe kwa we una tie me ujere mo ko nu tie we otion don't not baby we go bazuwa you call me for that video who was wo ujere wutie me we want who are fanati we otie di magen o magbawa wa una wa do gbiju e wa agbawa omo nu me biele wa do gbe social media ujere since that day eke a set a trap hewe na oma mugwe ermagboku we uwe rabi ju akeka omo nu abiele omozo gele omozo ya kan gele akina we ga the evidence is clear we ma we abie omo mo nu we biele omozo ya kan kan we ma gele we bi we akeru we do ga aje izu na ohorun understand ahan bi we and we na le vary we han bie we ma omozo we han bie we ma we eni we tu ye gboku oni ohwo ni han ya bia akun wodo ai vala we ma si happiness no wa bo la we gbe Weme mo nene asares na gwa kan esi happiness mo asares na gwa kan. You understand the man? Omonu we are built to harm us well. So no behind nothing here. That's a hagala we yanu. Without one of our obedia, here go people. Asa to le kwa. Ogo we escape. Nu be a be wa beg of hagaji. And we are very peacefully. Ukari okoro panuari ukaya we testing eh. Na do me we a test wa ido why the me mana we test wa ha ya biele wa biele mozo. But no my bien on go social media. We me asanini. We phone one night. Ya collect go. We ba uma we nani. Uwenu gbeni e complain we here when we do we na uri go ugo when imagine this to egeni na ara gbon egeni o no na ara ukwene koji ne gegega no. This modern life in imagine na to beg away boys when ya je na modern we beje na o no we are bie oh saloba pa no be no hanga je o saloba be no hanga je oni iya ayo si agboa oni ogwevo o oya ga
Frank, anything warranty your makan yeah witness la go ever seriously video now you may not understand if Frank Victor imaginator ladian on no account on no whatever do I don't hear e paute te ne ga bi dey na what you must stop remember that limited what you must you for the now oko aladian that account ladian iriye phone number ladian na that will you na what you must stop ile afian otwa odokun gbeteme ya Umi a content creator no Red State or the brother like na Uyobona, area on Wapa, not ma or the sister like na Uyobona, area on. If I have a na Uyobona, I don't want no video you watch me no be. Okay. Eti man irewebo, if you na broke you donia, na jowa. Ma everything ma be that get so everything. We watch you go, what man tatina, everything no ro me ata. Go over Coromia or Rega. We never that na video. E ka tena only make name ni o set issue a we o horo mi ma we bo ni do ta dia we me ba say o horo mi we me ni ya ba we video ya e de ti ma ni na we bo meji iya la block ba ko wa ka ni la dia we ji go da ga we ko pa ni ga je there I go iya na mo me u ko agwa no iya na mo la dia iya we ma me ya o ma say na we emission I will remembrance day ne o ba be capture so akumbo you might not understand. What stop? Why do abuse it? Stop bringing people out. Stop bringing up your account for public funds. Hey, what stop? Hey, abuse the other bungwe. Over Frank or Umewa. No, near not here, Jenny got Italy. I believe in Rome. Here, what we now. Or that Juliet.
Only me. I don't know. Say na kawaswan boy. We're not a men with respect of who. When I teach you na gbeni yi ni juwe ijuwe mo se when I jebe nia esi happiness ya happiness ijuwe mawoto when I jebe nia iji me tepu omata amema beta ubege de eri meta omodia no be bie ona beta ubege bet akiya wa mawunu or wafwa te wunu but owu we si happiness emi agwa kana iju we mawagbon gbuwe na ajebenia iju we na ama eru we na ama agbuwe na ajeberio maybe rabe mo so ijo ya ge maybe ijo era me se na amwera la diabana era na ko wagba wunu de ke we na mi abiju no okwete ba ko ne vala weri o bebe ni ave ya mo si happiness abiju ya mo ko ono ya mo ko we ke ore with that corner is I resist una agbeni you iju ma ubege ni nutie ni ubege be no mo se iju we mo se berio iju we mo se we agbo we na ajebe ni wa ma be wo no okwo no ri wo no se na ta mo okwo no be jebe ni weje Oh, Tigwe, yes, I do. Oh, whoa, you know, Jimmy the Wedge. Oh, yes, I do. Without now, if you say, I can't even Valaladian, or my dame is natural. Then I come up with four. Not beletete wototo. Even is 3 days or your rototo. On the second one of the dimmer said, we are having live video. Who get the tack on Wenny? Bella Valavola, who go to Teven or Keke. We are in the social media, Manuel no the bear who the large social media, who the rack on that social media. I be a bear, you comment to where? Iyan be ye comment we. Abo ko na des ni like a kissy. Don't know make akuwena. No we yes I will agree to be your girlfriend. That is when we can kissy. We can carry na you ye o ya go we go. Ya lo ye kewe. Who was you? O bola we gbe. Do ya kan kere no de o. Na mu we me ka we. O do abo the social media we you. Where that ku we wunu? Aka we ma wunu be pa konse. Wa ga gu e tota kon ma be de gu e tota kon we. O keke wo toto. E ma na pa e ya na bran. O ma fofua. Just imagine go on do go ma gu an. Aka le ma wunu. O toto gbe lete.
Hello, I say.
Mama.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How my family?
They're fine.
Go.
I
want they talk to. Okay. The thing when I come out concerning this woman, we be told they carry the house in. Iya paka. Until I go say no way. Many people contribute. Me myself, I contribute because I love that woman. Okay. I contribute to. Apaka, no come out again since I mean there say the woman say I like her, he don't die her. People will contribute to man, thank you. I do not hear Apaka again. Now when Apaka mama can't die, so if he will die for long. Now Apaka can't come out, so they bring this thing come out for social media. Now so if mama die, wife die. If your mama your wife die, nobody way mama no go die, nobody papa no die. No matter why mama no go die. Everybody gets your own problem. You know me, if your papa mama can't tell and go on social media. So you yourself, now when your godfather can't tell us, it's not done that way. When you do live video put, now after come, if you for another person, know what they happen to that woman. And then that woman, their life on done that. Nobody will know before. Now when your godfather stroke her, now you can't talk, say, see what they do the woman. It's a thing, if they do $100,000 for the woman, it matter. Okay, let's say your godfather, this is mama and papa, your godfather don't tell us, say, not everything that we carry come the throw money. So, if we're not talking about mama papa, they are alive, or you know they are alive. So, now that's the comment I can't take you say, mama papa, but see, you never put this on, that's all this happen, not happen. Not be so that they do something. If you now they get ethic, now tell us what they do media. Call the Sandy Foundation, I say, come, ADTO, now say they should like this, that people donate money. My channel to them as the time they put on to us with me. That was donate me donate to them at the end. Concerning foundation and why you playing no, you doing you, they're not going to stand up for the final. So it's not good. So people when we go to Europe, we get our own problem. We go for where they suffer for years. They're not the suffer for Nigeria. If they not get how to stay now, they will go their papa as their family as there for years. We don't get family as well with the state. We don't get papa as well with the state. Now how friends we must pay on the day street. And if we don't make another, they will put it back on. Not for say two people with family to look.
Now be watching the master with them. This person we do now. The messenger.
People talk at that time say, now so we know the dress well, we know they do this one. We are push. We they go work, we know they get that time. So when they don't start pack money for here finish now, they go say we know the dress well because that's the foolish one. These people is very good. And when they use money, go they look for school. You understand me? So at the end, they go to the same and keep person. First, nobody go happy for that one. After coming up, enter house, they go home to go to his bed. Because not they are sitting at the start, they call social media, call the same, they call it give on money, give on money, give on money. Nobody will not get their own problem. Everybody gets their own problem. So now when we go Nigeria, now we don't fit to go laugh us. If you reach Nigeria, all of them, the way we go Nigeria, we not do proper. They do that. They are better than they do that. They want that. They're not there. phone when they will carry for hands, who will in Europe, you don't get that kind of phone. Then they pretend, not because they don't put that kind of phone, but we know what they pay us first, so we want to do. Let me tell you, look for people here in Nigeria, say they don't go Nigeria. When you don't go Nigeria, you want that phone. Because they don't get house, they don't get land, they don't get anywhere. Let me say they don't go Europe, they don't use some soup black boy, they don't use two black boy soup, but everything black boy finish, they want to go Nigeria. At your heritage, you want that for you. You don't say that here. Who pay something for us or give you one step? You know, go to Nigeria. Even though you want to come back, don't come back, you feel come back, but you don't say, now how should they work with? So, see happiness, that's what you take it for. Your father will take papa away the smile or more or funny. You have a hand lower.
Are we here? Are we here?
I can really know what kind of talking my Yahweh a call for 7 days. You have got a 2 days to Yahweh. If I believe Yahweh, when they book around the milk, but Yafunia is the name of Yahweh, where you're passing with Pagoda or Tagunia. You sure will let the level. You are saying, yes, I fit on one question near Mutia Tenuga. Mutia Tenuga, I'm going to go away that so. No, I never did. When you are back there, because I'm going to Yahweh, I didn't know, I'm calling where I don't know what I pay or don't let me go. Even on Moon, no Yahweh, no matter what gas, and you want to go to the better because that's for nobody. Only the Sabbath because you turn up your position now, or your Maria, no matter, don't let me go. I'm calling up your non so con le social media esi papilo esi papilo ya le sumu ne esi papilo ne ma okwa ya kini ya gbede na beruwa owo kan mo ni e se pamela no respect ma na mo no re kan ya ma pa le solution yo o ya teta ko we udo no le mi wo wa kono meru wa pa esi happiness wa le o kan be o nu ya chomo so no pa kan la we pe papa de smile ko wa le mi wo e funa mi esi mi a lo ya mo wa ya tesa ki pa no we mu pa gwa no wa ni yo what na we put papa na we pe wa many people wa ma just social media wa no wa ma just social media social media fact no fidelity bank no
yeah mama we ko ya ja oyo
wa to mo wa ye so nwa we ma na papa re wa to ke wa se no o ni are fi are wa se ma no wa o ne ro line happiness no le wo ka to do we o ni ya ti o mo so ri
ogbe oyo
I don't want, but I don't want to. I put my earpiece on here.
Yeah. I thought it was nana. Eti yeri nana. What do I? No get ma wa dene.
Stepfather to Kevin. Jema, he blame me. Don't like that. Born in she from most side. You take the negative. One of them can blame me. Money be a carry day. Doro yo.
Area beje. Area wa beje. No etik gbegbe or win. Understand? Era bebe wama water egwa. That is it. That is just the fact. Omana water egwa. Au jere wo viere ma. Wa me wa we mogbe atu beg as arrest for structure ya jaya man egbe. Except we ima oni gwa too. O be ni keye boss ka enu na we ya ezo obo but who am I everyone? You remember now maybe the woman when you call cause any edi. But now again when who am I everyone? But now who everyone? Ese happiness. Oh ya na wa hang be message la wo ni can remember when no ge no ro le oni ono said na gbe no ge de na. Wa ham weni me as arrest no la wo agbo e say as arrest e ko no re as arrest. Would that maybe a true winner and any other bay rise up? Would our then any lang warning your bonwago walk bear web message of Honi near warriors arrested. That name is very, very important. More any irritated loud. More very, very rare arrest. More you want to break away. And anyhow a pishy jewel, a pishera, my house one. You are interested in your father's teeth. Nigele wera no gele bio. Ya bega kera we akera erio jeve no weje photocopy na no DNA. But they say ogun bijue ijue no re mini ogun aga gbe abega except we jue on ma kane vala. Ya we no wa je erio ya ri emi erio ya demi veki. So era bijue the senti ya ra hin abegege era bio we ba we ra me gba kan na you understand ju ebe mu but you we ju ya re ya bi we with that corner is very scared. We are not la webo. We are not regarding kene omonaku. We na nya call that money. Allah on the ugbale be mana yo honey mana te 119 112 no ye we say. Don't go with social media when I acquire keke. No dame say who get we ke ladian. On no dame. Wa hala de live video. Hey, ga moi ko ladian ve dia. Because ya igbesi anytime ya bi you wash you we. Office to ya aswenira me. O no say na ladian. E no do ige we you say na go we. E me on name son no. Maybe a handy miogo bana, iya jaconare, igiri miogo. For now, we step down for meat. Yawa step down. Igiri miogo because the akona is very, very hero. Eh no, the mess over the makoga one die. Eh na venia. Oh, bola wegbe, we don mumu igbogbo na anya ga tie webe. We nu la da ba titi anga ti wo so won la ladin ojoba jevo. Wa gbeo wa sungu
Enuta I will tell you now 85% of Enuta is true. We are abusing it already. 85% of Enuta you are 85% right. But for you to come out and insult Omo Osagie
Ogo bear Omo Osagie Omo Gbonihi we me we be oyin aku ebe gwa Omo Gbon ogi oba Another way la jene na Omo Osagie oh nika finish your well imani jump imani de jump naka finish your well eni ya like when I hear Omo Osagie ya ende so if any young when made to stop what we made to la Omo Osagie on my ya finish
Baba utete negabi uwe mise badi e worry what you offend the doctor iba odi tie bono bona because when you don't follow video when you are all right and then what you offend me na what be tell me you are going to address you my brother even know you
where we worry era me reply we swear Tell us not ma we era me a choose we ya gu wegu at first we episode where because I was trying to add near the Guegua all these years. The beginning of the case one yahawe at the new tier. We were 2 years ago. Wajere at the new tier 2 years ago. So I did the same case one yahawe, but I was patient. It may be a patient when we be patient where Uziebe the Nerami Aguegua. But as a happiness. I go put down to you now, say, Erane Guegua over here. You understand? Oh, yeah, bring it up. Oh, Guegua with all. Oh, you are a boy. A boy with him. Oh, Guegua. But on a Guegua for ne, there you will come except we are mamma and where you are mamma gear. Yes. Except where you are mamma where gear or uwe me. Mini ya de gwe ka except wo ma gwa ona gwa ka we dey like go mo maladia e gwa lo be tin ya na mo me ona beg me almost gwa ka but on a very good day they would reply era me drop e wa mo we continue mo we here face era me polo gbe no face we yes. Now when we benena, I think you dey prepare say did they wait for the day when my papa will talk to you. Good affair, no problem. But as you they ready, they ready. Who ya akweni? Who why you treat because before you come and come talk, akweni motamu wena akweni kaya arrange hospital. Ni ya pano kwa ni ya kalo kwa ni ya vio iwo uke do la do reply because umana we atu beg a video ba nu na eva niwe is screenshot obene yours that any boy say no boy he deleted a picture of we for me I will just settle the wa we be ya school and then you call him a week of it or we video ni guy either was he must a video ni ma save but a pillar was screenshot because so planning here when all arewa on here zoom ladian ni ya beg ogbon agbinwe benu je umabe pakon at the worst part of the year without evaluate or keke we even akowena gbewu wevenia ona nene mi red na areva de na areva is screenshot nas ya total with that me ya the reply ya why de la video na me ya I call I love you ya settle down e phone me na except we phone me no ya e phone ni you dey that the phone na except na areva or remember but jerewe screenshot a picture ni na ya will live video na bana ya bune ya love you a picture ni ya gwala ladia ya gbo no let's continue when we want ata atu want to go on lare era we won ye we wa gbe o akono keke
iba no understand e no tarat Mori offend you akwa worry offend me una la dia teme if I want to come and reply you I will start in so
no we don't ya che bone yo ha no me we do dore o pa we ayi do gwono yi do wo so ge no gia abi de no ao o pa we ayi do wo so ge dia I want to do Upa wa do wo sore ave oge Monica yes anya no te bonera me come on go sit down when we don't I don't say that way ogu we gun bet e na mo we or he choose to maybe anywhere or a robo but ama oni egwe kan that is the fact Oma we yo kere na bete money egwa kan but we use it to advise people they should not fall into victim. You understand? Where you yourself as happy now, do you know why you said it? You also not tell me now. Who tell with them where mean boom no ramo bo. You are passing this message to him now. Where honor do tell confirm right down. Mereva na wegbo. I try hard. Near me push away like the platform. I try hard. I try. But can we bury? Oh, I'm not beg what your body rabe. We live it. Imagine where it's your way. What's your body me they made the refer call away. But you don't know what's on that table. There are men. You understand? Have your number. Yeah. Where you take call me that year. Where sissy gay in my seven. But I wish now that matter I for call you in my boy. But ube be me. You understand? Or Timon maybe see me over the well, Mama will he met it away. Yeah, the boy social media. You understand the vena? Me met it you where ni no we de nera me na so atebo nera me vije me. Aw, omo no zo ani hi. You understand the vena? Where a matter ramo bo. Where na we matter ni o sera mo bo ne because u meti gwan ve dia. With the way a you query mene will bo on my son of the I will tell you all the time. On that time, yeah, the boy. And if you replenish man allows already men. No video where yet a bonnery many and may have the agbiru work, biju work, better family work, and you get it from men who are pure and well lay. With the man will not 10 years from now, except where I am a bug boy. Except we are more bug boy. With that, but not let it run visual or so way. With the way we're general for this mode now. Oh, no, what you wear, who not general well, not general best we are here. Oh, no, what the big banner met in little wear. A big bam, may I look at the Bama banner, is war. Then I be You understand me? 100 years, you know the sour. But at first, we saw when a picture well Ladiana because I try not to do it. But it's when no, a monitor spirit the page where that I swear. The bonwati ne remain on segbe. Hey, Ija, where me ebo. E boneri me social media now. Don't know it bella wa. Oh, no geni wa gbera gbiri. Oh, ti le neri me. Ama wu we no fe. No ge ti ele ni me no menace as arrest. Ama nu we no fe. Then we are time no e ro wonu. Emero well nu a ya do ta ugwa wazedo but ogun no lele won no lele wa gbe o and I will promise you sisu wu khera me e do no ogu we gun a kadara ni wa ya san na yo to mi bunu asan yo to you understand wa ha ri okwo nu gu a o na bere okwo ni e family ore ke ya segba egbe ya fefe ado ya fofoto umegbe wi da won mo gboku omegbe no le understand okonu ari eni egbe ore mo le okoni umwele sisu megbe sagane understand it for official to say we tamawe be baba na beti weni wonu apipia yo to then uwe mwegbe yoto akowe ni ka ya dolo yi se ubere feature well amwegbe se wida ben me bebe nyanya hewe e donu me do not ye fo ya ti me ederio me so anya ya hewe ubere ben we ganu sira me eri me bia ga musuwe but I tried so hard yeah money well the picture where you platform me when you work no ge ya igagbe no ge ne igisi ai be no ge waje na imati si ai ono je no gbo yo wesa ge ne ubegu we na anything we give we video ni any content we give for me is an error emi video ya condemn except who we content we all this kind of thing and see one that so we but oge esini oh no mugwe with that Tony Kabaka o meti try when you no ya flood no ya we for one eye understand o meti so ogwe ni hi very well megbe heri me eri me megbe ko beli ke megbo hewe baba na so understand be ne egesene mo me have a beg when we ya we ogwo wo egbe wo ni kuka gbuwe ke ya mi ahala gbuwe egbuwe amosolada na you are popular na egbuwe popular yes wa gbawe tira ne asansile o tira ladian oviye ke ya na social media e wan we na we social media so ono se nata ma we o mo na gbe kan won e social media ha gbogbe family we ye kokugbe wa gbe o
but you the way you insulted almost side you take an gabi
now my people on na gbera I say happiness where you ya day ne maybe hewe now omo osagie lare ogun ojo gi jere we lare e ba mare understand ya we panama origin egbe ogun amugbe understand ogun na wa ade yo hun say let's listen
here to Nuzomo, my good Benin people, I greet you all.
Abamana go come osagie come.
A lot of things happening now. But the reason I have to come on now, I just watched a video titled My Response by our son, Nofe Ibinowa here. Will be a simple Akbaka 99, who just lost his mother and his wife, the wife of over 25 years. What is 25 years? They've been together since anyone can remember. Akbaka and Etiyu. I don't really know who Frank Victor is. I'm sorry. But
Where omo osagie Umare mama neri mehi. Etuma onwe. Betuno na tone pa. Unweni umere okweva. For you to say where umeri me otutu ni no mo ebieka. Ade na yazene